Hey, I'm Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and I can't wait for you guys to meet the new MH400. This cutter right here is absolutely amazing. So what I really like about this cutter is it has all the features that window tinters need, and it doesn't have the features that we really don't care about. It is a really streamlined plotter. For under $2,000, this may be the deal of the century. This stand is a very robust, heavy-duty stand. It's not the old flimsy stand like you see on some of the more economy plotters. I've got a Roland behind me, and I just can't tell much difference. It comes with a really cool LED so you can see anything and everything you need to see to make your best cuts. One feature I really like about this cutter is it's got the fine grit rollers that are exposed, and they're spaced just so that we can handle all the standard sizes of window film. We've kept the window tinter in mind with how we space these out. This is a high stepper motor. This is a perfect motor that we need for window tinters. Real smooth. One feature I like about this cutter is this automatic origin that it has. All you have to do is move the carriage to where you want the origin to be. I want it to start there, and that's it, it's done. If you're ready to step up and run your entire business with a cutter that you can rely on that'll do anything that any other cutter out there in the world can do, the MH400 is something you need to look for. This one's under $2,000 and the 53 inches under $1,600. This cutter just about does it all, except I don't think it'll change a tire on your car.